Are you an aspiring author looking to share your stories with the world? Selling books on Amazon Kindle can be a fantastic opportunity to reach a global audience of readers. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to get started with Kindle Direct Publishing, so you can publish and sell your own ebooks on Amazon. Let's dive in. The first step is to create a captivating manuscript. Write your book, ensuring it's well edited and formatted to meet professional standards. Now, head to kdp.amazon.com and sign in with your Amazon account or create a new one. Once logged in, click on Create a new Kindle ebook. Fill in the details such as title, author name, book cover, description, categories, and keywords. You can select either a 35% or 70% royalty option based on your book's price and the countries you want to sell it in. Consider your book's value, competition, and pricing strategy. Proper formatting is crucial for a great reading experience. You can use Kindle Create, a free tool from Amazon, or hire a professional to format your ebook for you. Once your ebook is ready, upload it to your KDP account. Amazon will review your submission, and once approved, it'll be available for purchase on the Kindle store. But wait, publishing isn't enough. You need to promote your book to gain visibility. Utilize social media, book blogs, and Kindle promotions to attract readers. Keep track of your book's performance through your KDP dashboard. Pay attention to sales and encourage honest reviews from your readers. Engage with your readers by responding to comments and messages. Building a connection with your audience can lead to loyal readers and support for your future works. Congratulations! By following these steps, you're well on your way to selling books on Amazon Kindle and sharing your stories with the world. Remember, success in self-publishing takes time and effort. But with dedication and passion for your craft, you can achieve your publishing dreams. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Happy writing and happy publishing!